Hello, this is Jeff with Off Leash Canine Training in Middle Tennessee, and here I have with me Layla. She's about a 6-month-old Goldendoodle here for our 2-week board and train program. She did do our puppy board and train, so she understands some basic commands, but she's still having a couple issues with the heel pulling a little bit, some impulse control, and stability, not being able to hold downs or sits too long. So let's see what Layla knows before the adult board and train, the big dog board and train. Let's see. Layla, come. Good girl, come. Yes. Sit. Good girl. Down. Down. Place. Layla, come. Place. Sit. Good girl. She's got that one. Can you lay down here? Down. Layla, down. Down. No, not into that one. Come. Good. Come. Yes. Sit. She does have some separation anxiety, so that's what we're seeing right here. Is her owner just left, so she's kind of looking to see where he went. Right. Let's see how she's walking. Yep. Yep. See how her door manners are looking. Layla. Oh, she's trying to rush the door though. Layla. Come. Well, that's what she knows as of day 1 before the big dog board and train. Can't wait to show you what she's going to learn after training. Place. Down. Good girl. break.